Hi everyone, SilverStackMagician here, turning paper into precious metals with an unboxing for you guys from Providentmetals. So let's take a look, and I already have it pre-opened just to make it a lot easier. So let's take out the packages. Now I didn't see my invoice in here, so we'll see how this goes. Let's open up this package real quick. Let me take a look. Okay, it's in here. Let me just get that out of the frame real quick. Alright, maybe I'll just dump it out. Got some silver there. It's gonna be all silver there. Let's see, we got 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 ounces. So there's Provident, of course, little magnets. And got the Zombucks. We've seen those. Pretty cool. I didn't get started on these earlier, but I mean, starting to pick some up of some of these up. Sorry, starting to pick some of these up. See, I got 4 of those. Should be one more somewhere. Yeah, there it is. 4. So got 4 of those. Hercules. Doing the Hercules, of course. And got the bull. Let's see. Got Philharmonic. $2015. Got 3 of the bulls, by the way. Put those right there. The African wildlife elephant. That one's going to be 2015. Got one of those. And Noah's Ark. This one should be 2015 as well. Well, we all seen those. Anyways, let's check out these other packages. Yeah. Koala. This one should be 2015. You'll see the back. Australian koala, 2015. My first, and not my first, because I'm collecting these. I'm getting 2015s for a reason. I'll disclose that reason with you guys once I have a collection of those 2015s. I'll let you know why I'm collecting so many of them. Alright, we got one more. Oh, that's right, I got 2. One for me and one for a gift. So, my first koala. And then that will be the gift, I guess. Or whichever one. But, yeah, I can see why everyone's raving about them. They're pretty cool. Look really nice. So, I might have to get some more. But, anyways, so 2015's right here. And then, some just rounds for fun. And collection. But anyways, that's about it. Stay tuned for more videos. Haven't been making as many as I want, but you know how that goes, life. So anyways, thanks guys for watching, and stay tuned. Keep stacking.